Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. Today we're going to be learning how to downgrade WordPress to an older version. Why you might want to downgrade WordPress? If you recently updated WordPress and it caused issues with your site, downgrading could be a quick solution. By returning to the previous version of WordPress, you can restore your website's functionality until you're able to resolve the issue. But be cautious, as downgrading may expose your site to security risks and compatibility problems. Use this only as a temporary measure while you troubleshoot and resolve the underlying issue. Before we dive into how to downgrade WordPress, a quick word from our sponsor, Breakdance. Today's video is brought to you by Breakdance, the modern visual website builder for WordPress. It's easy for beginners to learn and powerful enough for the most advanced professionals. Breakdance is loaded with features, including a premium pre-made template library, a robust form builder, AI content writing capabilities, a versatile pop-up builder, and seamless WooCommerce integration. Whether you're just starting your WordPress journey or you're a seasoned pro looking for a better builder for your agency, now is the perfect time to build better websites with Breakdance. Try it today and experience the Breakdance difference. Before downgrading, it's important to know which WordPress version your website is using. If you can't access your WordPress admin area, you can downgrade manually by opening your website in a web browser. Right-click anywhere on the page and select View Page Source. Press Ctrl F in Windows or Command F in Mac to open the search bar and type Generator. Look for a line like meta name equals generator, content WordPress 6.7. This tells you that the site is running WordPress version 6.7. Now that you know which version of WordPress your website is currently running, you can download an older version with which to replace it. Open a new tab. Go to wordpress.org/download/releases. Here you will find all major versions. After locating your desired version, download the compressed file and extract it to your computer's storage drive. But before the downgrading process, it's important to back up your website to avoid any potential data loss. To back up your site, download a copy of your website's MySQL database, then save all static files from your website, and make sure to store these files safely on your computer. Now it's time to downgrade your WordPress. To get started, you need to replace your website's core files with those from an older version, while preserving essential files and folders. Start by connecting your website server with a file transfer protocol (FTP) client such as FileZilla. To learn how to connect your server with FileZilla, click the link in the description below. When you're done connecting your server, go to the main folder, usually called public_HTML. Select all files and folders in this main directory except for wp-config.php and the wp-content folder. Right-click and choose Delete in the FTP client to remove these files. Then, open the folder containing the older version of WordPress on your computer. Upload all files except for the wp-content folder to your website's main directory. When done, check your WordPress version using the method outlined earlier. If the older version number appears, the downgrade was successful. Following these steps carefully will help ensure a successful downgrade without losing any data. Another way to downgrade your WordPress, if you have access in your WordPress admin area, is by using a plugin like WP Downgrade. This plugin allows you to switch to an older WordPress version directly from your admin dashboard. Navigate to Plugins, then select Add New Plugin. Search for WP Downgrade, then install and activate this plugin. Once done, go to Settings and select WP Downgrade. Enter the version of WordPress you want to install and follow the prompts to complete the downgrade. And that's it! By downgrading your WordPress, either manually or with a plugin, you can successfully roll back your site to an earlier version. Each method provides a reliable way to restore your website, so you can choose the approach that works best for you. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.